I'm going to take this week to cover one of the most popular but most elusive egg dishes, the poached egg. Eggs cooked in slightly boiling water. It's not that hard, but I understand why people have trouble with it. The egg will break in the water, you overcook it, you can't get it runny in the center. It's hard to make it for a lot of people at home, but what I've found is, like anything else, it just takes practice. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and knowing you guys, I think you'll be able to handle it. A perfect poached egg is when you can drop it into the water, the egg whites engulf the egg yolk and sort of protect it from overcooking, and then you cook the egg whites till they're mostly firm but the yolk is still runny. So let's try to tackle that. Got the 3 eggs, 3 ramekins. You can make as many as you want, but I'm just gonna do these for now. You want to crack the egg into each ramekin and make sure that you get no shells. So now we have little containers. What we can do is create a nice bath for poached eggs. So we're gonna need vinegar for the water and some salt. And we wanna get it to a gentle boil, at least over 170 degrees, and then create a vortex in the water to help the egg whites sort of engulf the yolks. We need to add vinegar. I'm gonna add about a capful. We've got bubbles starting to pop up. This is perfect right here. So I'm gonna drop a medium and try and sustain it. I'm gonna add some salt. Create like a vortex. And then in with the poached egg. About 90 seconds to 2 minutes, and it should be perfect. You want the egg white to be pretty firm. You can touch it. You can kind of see it holds together. Paper towel helps sort of absorb any of the moisture from the cooking water so that it doesn't land in your plate and on your English muffin. Or just sort of however you're going to use these. You don't want the water on them, so you kind of just dredge them into the paper towel, and then you're ready to go. It's a little mixture of cayenne and paprika. That's kind of perfect, right? I mean, what you're gonna have to do is go get a bunch of eggs and poach a few eggs. Just keep doing them, try them this way. I guarantee you'll get it. It's not that hard. You can basically touch it with your finger while it's cooking and tell how firm or soft it's going to be. And you'll know if it gets too hard, the firmer the egg white's gonna get, the more cooked the yolk is gonna get. We got poached eggs down. The next logical thing would be to make eggs Benedict. So make sure you tune in Thursday, because that's gonna be that video. We also got the knife giveaway still happening. You've got 4 days left. You need to sign up. It's almost 600 entries. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, across the internet. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed and you have the bell on so you never miss any of my videos. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. See you on Thursday.